Kili! Look, Kili. We got some fan mail from one of your YouTube subscribers. This is from Rita at Rainbow Parrots. Let's see what you got. Rita sent you some toys. Let's see what Rita sent for Kili. Okay. Oh, look at this. What's that? Look at that, Kili. Look, you got a new toy. Look at that. Yeah, check it out. Like this little spoon. Yeah. Let's see what else you got. Some toy parts. Ooh, and look at this one. Oh, this is a big one, Kili. Look at that. Look at that, Kili. Wow, that's a big toy. Yeah, we're gonna hang that in your cage. You'll play with it. You're gonna like this one. That. Oh, and let's see what else we got. Oh, look at that. It's a bean and grain mix. You're gonna have to try some of those. We'll use those for treats and for training. Okay. Look at that, Kili. You got a special surprise from your fans. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. I want to try one of these. Look at this. Step up. Up. Wave. Shake. Wings. Nod. Nod. Hello. Good bird. Kili. Good bird. Sit down. Look at this. Look what we got here. Kili's trying to put the ring on the peg. Kili thinks it's a trick. Whoop. Where does that go? Look, this is from Rita. Step up. So we'd like to thank Rita at Rainbow Parrots for sending Kili this complimentary gift as one of her #1 fans. Alright, Kili, say goodbye to everyone. Good bird. Okay, good perch. And cut.